Hi friends, my name is Balaji. Balaji Sundaram is my Google name. Type in, you will get a lot of information about me. My passion is to help people live a stressless society. That's my passion. I work a lot towards suicide prevention. For the past 32 years, I have been working on suicide prevention. I train people to help address those kind of emotional trauma that we are facing. And this needs no qualification. It only needs a human mind. It only needs a human heart and a method to talk and lots and attitude to listen properly. That's the basic work that I do. This multi-purpose society, or when we are talking about health, each and every person talks about the physical health, talks about the physical pain. And not many know, apart from the physical health, there is something called as mental health. There is something called as emotional health. There is something called as sensitive health, which is not seen at all. And this causes a lots of problem internally. The pains, there are two types of pains basically. One is an external pain, the other one is an internal pain. External pain is caused by the physical injuries, whereas the internal pain is caused by the stress and trauma experienced by the person. And this experience is something which will not be seen by anybody unless and until you give them the proper attention to look into. And this makes lots of difference to address that emotional pain, because it gives them a permanent internal relief which encourages them, which makes them work more than what they actually are capable of doing it. And this is a confidence booster. And as a multi-purpose situation, I came here. I am not a healer. I am only a facilitator to heal whatever is possible through a consultation, through a talk, through a proper expression of emotions, through proper ventilation. That much I can tell you. That's easy for me to tell. Suicide is not a wish to die. It's a cry for help. Anybody who is feeling suicidal, it doesn't come just overnight, just like that. It comes over a period of time, and that starts off with a very, very small instance. If you go through one of the presentations that I may tell you later, you will see a lot of information in that. And that information is, you have neglected me, you have not cared for me, you have not given me proper attention. That's what it happens. Once you give them small attention, you do it and you make them feel very comfortable. And we have our organization called Vichintana. Our project name is Darshini. Darshini369.com is our website, and you can be in touch with me. You can register yourself as a volunteer, and you can also talk to me, or rather WhatsApp me whenever, whichever way it is possible for you to do, so that we can interact and we can see a non-stressed society or emotionally happy society. That's what is my message. And please help yourself, and you too are capable of helping somebody. Please believe that together we can reduce a lot of suicidal deaths. Thank you.